Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to know if someone blocked you on Instagram. To start, open your Instagram application in your mobile device. Then head on over to your conversations and then tap on a conversation where you think the other person has already blocked you. For now, we will be trying to sending them a message. If we send them a message, it would be okay and then they would be able to receive. In this tutorial, I will show you two accounts to demonstrate being blocked. After sending the message, I will now click on this friend of mine or this other page, and then I will block them by clicking on the three dots, then tap on block. Now that they are restricted for demonstration purposes, I will now be switching to the blocked account. In here, I will click on the messages. Then I will click on the other person. In here, I will try to reply to my previous message. Once I have clicked over the other person's account, it will see that I will no longer be able to see their following list or their followers list. And I'm not seeing any of their timeline. Now I will go back to my account. In here, I will click on their message once again. As you can see, the person is still restricted. I will choose to unblock them. In here, I switched down their account already. And then I will go and click to that person's account. And as you can see, in here in their page, you should be able to see their followers and following list and their timeline as well. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.